We are in the Titanic Hotel here in Belfast, which was originally part of the buildings that helped to actually plan and build the Titanic. And actually, it's full of this beautiful history. This is actually the cocktail bar now, but it used to be the planning room where they used to actually draw the plans and design the ship, the Titanic. So these rooms also get leased for private meetings and conferences, but when there isn't anybody, you can actually walk through and do a little bit of a tour, which is really cool. So you've got all of these historic images. Power generation, Harland Wolff, the company that actually built the Titanic. Plans of the main offices here. Just amazing. Out there you've got the docks. So let's continue our walk through the Titanic Hotel. Thomas Andrews' office behind me is actually closed because there's a meeting at the moment. But here we've got another gorgeous room. So it says, William James Peary, during his lifetime, created almost single-handedly the modern shipbuilding industry. Amazing.